Let's go and write the perfect ending. I've heard things about you I like. They say you're a bad boy, it's your time. So baby, let's find out. Baby, let's find out. Yeah, baby, let's find out. Baby, let's find out. Yeah, I can't get enough, I need more. Please don't ever stop, I need more. Baby, we gotta finish what we started. A feeling that is so right. Let's make it happen, let's go all night. I've heard things about you I like. They say you're a bad boy, it's your time. So baby, let's find out. Baby, let's find out. Yeah, baby, let's find out. Baby, let's find out. I can't get enough, I need more. Please don't ever stop, I need more.
Hi, my name's Joey, and today I'm going to be doing a drip glam look. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to be priming my skin with a moisturizer, eye cream, and luminous primer to make my skin look a little more hydrated. Next up, I'm going to be color correcting, and I'm going to be using this peach and yellow color corrector under my eyes. Next, I'm just highlighting the parts of my face with concealer that need it, and then filling in the blank spots with a foundation. Next, we're gonna pop in with some really bright eyeshadows. I like this blue and purple mixture. And then we're gonna put a little bit of white under the brow bone. And now we're gonna bring the galaxy to life by painting some stars on my face. Now I'm going to take that same gold and drip it down my face in kind of like a tear formation, which we're going to cover next with some glitter. Now we're gonna use one of my favorite mascaras, open up my eyes a little more, and then put on some falsies. Now I'm gonna use this black liquid lipstick to line and fill my lips, topped with this beautiful eyeshadow that really ties the look together. And now we're gonna lock everything in with a setting spray. Don't feel reluctant to hold back and give yourself a bath. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.